Janice, what are you doing?
I'm looking for the Easter egg that we lost here. Last month, we lost the Easter egg at my newest listing, 54 E Smiley Street in Shelby, Ohio. Come with me and let's try to find it. So as you come in through the front door, you're greeted with the main level bedroom. Now they're using this as their main bedroom. It is large. It has a closet and it has some storage space right on top. Very nice, large primary bedroom. And as you go down the hall, you're greeted with your living room. It's a nice sized living room. Fits a sofa and a couch, and a love seat, I mean. And then here is your dining area. The dining area does have a half bath, and it also has washer and dryer, utility closet. I'm not going to open it, they're storing some stuff, and an extra closet as well. So I want to show you my favorite part of the house. It's this ginormous kitchen. I mean, look at this kitchen. You can put a full-size center island. You still have space to walk around it. All kitchen appliances do come with the house, and it is just, it's really a kitchen dream. I love it. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Upstairs they have 2 bedrooms and a full-size bathroom. The full-size bedroom upstairs is a large bedroom as well. It has a closet. It's a pretty large bedroom. They do have another bedroom, but they're packing and it's kind of full. And then they have their full-size bathroom here as well. I just found the Easter egg. I'm Janice with Emerge Real Estate Champions. If you want to see this house or any other house, call me 419-528-8190.